Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon so that whenever I post a video, you will be notified. So in this video today, I'm going to show you guys this particular makeup look which is really simple to achieve. The only thing is that I have applied fake lashes. If you are someone who does not feel or not comfortable applying that, then you can obviously skip it. Apart from that, everything is really easy to achieve, and I hope you'll enjoy this video and learn a few tips and tricks here and there. So without any further ado, let's get started. So firstly, I'm gonna start with moisturizing my face. For that, I'm gonna use the Kaya Youth Oxy Face Serum. So always make sure that you're applying a good amount of serum or some under eye gel under your eyes and keep them hydrated before starting your makeup. As you can see, my skin looks much more hydrated. Next up, I'm gonna moisturize my lips, and for that I'm gonna use the Nykaa's Lip Crush Lip Balm. This is the Macron Lip Balm in the shade Strawberry. Moisturize my lips so that until the time when I apply lipstick, my lips will be properly moisturized. Next up, I'm gonna apply a primer, and for that I have used the Nykaa's Prep Me Up Primer. This is in the silicone base format. So as you can see, this is the silicone based primer, and this is the best and affordable primers. Even there is like summer super sale going on Nykaa, so you can grab your product. And I'm gonna concentrate mostly towards my cheek and nose area because I have little bit of pores over there, and the rest I'm gonna apply all over my face. So I'm not gonna do heavy base because this year Eid we are gonna celebrate as usual in the homes itself. We are not gonna step anywhere out. So I'm just gonna conceal my dark circles and also wherever I have spots over here with just a concealer. So I'm gonna use two concealers for this. So one is the Maybelline's Fit Me concealer. This is in the shade 25 medium, and another one is the NYX HD Studio shade CW50, I guess 05. So these two concealers I'm gonna mix and I'm gonna just apply over my dark circles, like under my dark circles and wherever I have spots. So first I'll start with this particular shade. This is the warm tone shade, and this is the pink undertone concealer which I'm gonna apply around my mouth. So let's see how this combo works. So this is how the final result looks like with the Maybelline's Fit Me concealer. Now I'm gonna just apply a tiny amount of NYX concealer because I think this is the only part which is not covered properly, this particular area. So I just want to cover that. One with same skin tone like me, then you can use this kind of trick to kind of achieve the perfect eye look. And I'm also applying the rest which is left on the beauty blender on top of my lid. Like I'm gonna apply around my mouth as well because you tend to get the blackness around your mouth. I think this much is pretty much enough. Until and unless you have like blackness or redness on your face, you can apply a foundation. Rather you can just choose, because as you're being at home and celebrating the festival, I think this much would be enough. So now I'm gonna set my base with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Duo palette. So I'm gonna use the powder palette from this, and I'm just gonna set my concealer properly, because if concealer starts creasing, then this particular area looks ashy. You can just play with your eyeshadows or eyeliner, but make sure that you're keeping your base very light. Now it's time to do my brows, and for that I'm gonna use the Nykaa's Brow Kit. Start with this arch of my brow. I'm just gonna use the lighter shade from this eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna just brush like this so that your eyebrows look much more sharper and defined. So now I'm gonna move towards my eyes, and for that I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution palette, and from this I'm gonna take this particular shade, the brown shade, and I'm gonna mix it with this particular brown shade. So I'm just gonna make like smudgy look with this. Pinch your brush like so, and you just apply it. You don't have to change another brush. I'm gonna use this particular glitter shade on my eyelid. Now I'm gonna mix two eyeshadows. One is the dark brown sort of color, this one, and another one is black. So I'm just slightly gonna dip into the black eyeshadow. I'm gonna take a brush which looks something like so, angle brush, and I'm gonna dip in this way. I'm taking the extra amount of brown shade and just slightly dipping over, just that much, and I'm gonna smudge my eyelash line, and later I can apply a liner, but right now I'm gonna just apply it towards this direction. So as you can see, I've made the smoky eye look, like smoky smudgy eye liner look. So now I'm going to apply a mascara with the Maybelline's Hypercurl Volume Mascara. So I'm not going to use the waterproof one, this is the normal one. So as you can see, this is how my eyelashes looks right now. So let's see till the end. If this is like okay, then I'm like pretty much okay with this look. If not, I'll try to apply fake lashes. So now I'm gonna contour my face with the Wet n Wild palette. Again, I'm gonna use this. So now I'm gonna highlight my inner circle, like inner eye corner, with this particular shade highlighter. I'm gonna apply the same shade over here. Next up, I'm gonna apply blush, and for that I'm gonna use the Sugar's Pink Pinnacle blush and apply this on the apples of my cheek. And I'm gonna apply on my nose as well. So I just want to give the eyeliner effect. I'm taking the angular brush and I'm gonna dip into the black eyeshadow and just slightly draw a wing like so. And then I'm gonna mix this properly with the eyeshadow. I'm gonna set my base with this makeup fixer from Swiss Beauty. So if you want to tap this, then you can obviously use a beauty blender again and just tap the makeup fixer into your skin so that it does not move and you does not feel sweaty or your makeup does not creases. So I'm gonna highlight my face with the Wet n Wild's Mega Glow highlighter on the highest points of my face. So this is the shade which I have applied, which is in the shade 20 from Nykaa. So yeah guys, this is my final look and I have applied fake lashes. These are the magnetic fake lashes which I'll be making a detailed video on this because I'm someone who cannot apply fake lashes. I have tried tons of time applying fake lashes but I was failed every time. So these really helped me and this was really quick applying, so I'll make a detailed video on that as well. Stay tuned for that. And this is it for this video. I hope this video was helpful to you, and guys, be at home and be safe. This second phase is really bad and we all are in this together. We shall come out together very soon out of this. So stay tuned and take care of your health, eat properly, take rest properly, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.